Deep Blue, the eye that defeated a world champion. Welcome to this presentation on Deep Blue, IBM's legendary chess-playing supercomputer that changed the course of artificial intelligence. In 1997, Deep Blue made history by defeating Garry Kasparov, the reigning world chess champion, proving that machines could think strategically and challenge human intellect at the highest level. Origins and development. The origins of Deep Blue trace back to Carnegie Mellon University in 1985, where the project began under the name ChipTest, led by computer scientist Feng-hsiung Hsu. What started as an academic experiment evolved into a groundbreaking IBM research project. Over the years, Deep Blue underwent multiple upgrades, integrating faster processors and smarter algorithms, transforming it from a student project into one of the most powerful chess engines of its time. The matches with Garry Kasparov. Deep Blue's most famous moment came through its battles with Garry Kasparov, widely considered the greatest chess player in history. In 1996, Kasparov defeated Deep Blue by a score of 4-2. However, IBM didn't stop there. The system was enhanced with improved software and deeper analytical capabilities. In the 1997 rematch, Deep Blue turned the tables, winning 3-1 to 2-1, the first time a computer had ever defeated a reigning world champion under standard chess tournament conditions. It was a moment that symbolized the growing power of artificial intelligence. Technical innovation. Deep Blue's power came from its unique architecture. It was built on IBM's Rs 6000 SP supercomputer platform, featuring 32 custom processors that allowed it to evaluate around 200 million chess positions per second. Its algorithms used techniques like alpha-beta pruning to eliminate weak moves and singular extensions to explore promising moves more deeply. Together, these innovations gave Deep Blue extraordinary computational depth, enabling it to see further ahead in the game than any human player could. Aftermath and dismantling. After its historic victory in 1997, Deep Blue had fulfilled its mission. IBM decided to dismantle the system, preserving key components as part of technological history. Today, parts of Deep Blue are displayed at the National Museum of American History in Washington, D.C., and the Computer History Museum in California, reminders of a pivotal moment in human-machine collaboration. Legacy and impact. Deep Blue's victory wasn't just a win in chess, it was a landmark in computing and artificial intelligence. It demonstrated that machines could perform at levels once thought uniquely human, sparking deep discussions about creativity, intuition, and logic. The algorithms and parallel processing methods pioneered by Deep Blue influenced future AI systems, including modern chess engines like Stockfish and AlphaZero. In many ways, Deep Blue laid the groundwork for the intelligent computing era we live in today. Conclusion. Deep Blue's story is more than a tale of man versus machine, it's a story of progress, curiosity, and the power of human innovation. Its victory showed that artificial intelligence could augment and even rival human thinking in specific domains. Today, Deep Blue stands as a symbol of how technology can challenge us to reach new intellectual heights, a stepping stone to the future of AI.